I was in a car accident a couple of years back, January 2020, and was rear-ended, and obviously immense pain. Knew, was going to have to be dealing with some things, so kind of started doing my research, talking to people, and my company I worked with at the time was actually doing work with Herman Wells for them and for marketing. Decided to, they recommended I reach out, and I was like, yeah, okay, but I'm a big review person. I like to do my own research and really vet things. So I kind of looked into Herman Wells quite a bit. Some of the, their website, some of the reviews, people's personal experiences, and just loved what I heard. I'm a big people person, and kind of having never been through this process before for any legal matter, was very green and wanted, someone who was very hands-on and kind of walked you through everything and made you feel like you didn't have to worry about, all the extras, the details, that they would take care of it. So loved what I heard, and decided to reach out to Cliff. So I did actually, I'd done research. There was one that I reached out to, I think the morning after it happened. And it was more of, I forget the name of it. I know it was someone in the area. I think it was a firm in Tampa maybe, that also had good reviews, but just from the initial reach out and call, it felt very, corporate, kind of like a take a number kind of a thing. It wasn't, and I didn't like that. I wanted something a little more personal feeling, just a gut check, kind of a vibe, right? Something you talk to someone and you feel just immediately better about, okay, now I have relief, going into this otherwise frustrating and dreadful situation that I really don't want to deal with. But yeah, so I got that experience, and then didn't like that. Never called them back, and that's when I think that afternoon or the next afternoon following is when I reached out to Cliff, and he came met me. I didn't have to go. I was at my job at the time, and came out there and sat down with me for a good hour and just kind of walked through everything. And his demeanor, his professionalism, his likability, everything just made me feel immediately like, all right, this is exactly the right choice. This is where I need to be for this. Yeah, so Cliff, walked me through kind of what next steps were, what the next couple weeks, months could look like, and was very transparent about everything, and when let me know when Lauren was assigned to my case, and she took handle of everything, and just kind of guided me through the whole process as far as key updates. Here's what's upcoming, here's what we can expect regarding things that could change direction, but as of right now, here's how things look and what you can expect and when you'll be hearing from us next. I think that was really important, because it's easy to feel like I'm one of how many people in this position that is, one of their clients, and are they gonna lose track? Are they gonna, but I was very impressed with the way they stuck to, I'm gonna reach out to you in this time frame with an update, and it was always in that time frame. And if there was any other key updates that arose that changed things whatsoever, not that there was many, but I was always made aware of that kind of right away. So I just really appreciated the kind of personal attentiveness, making me feel like at times like, wow, I am, a very valued client here, almost like a VIP or something. But I think that's just their demeanor and how they make all their clients feel. Because I truly believe there was other cases probably that superseded mine, but I still was made to feel like mine was priority. Yeah, I was very impressed with the multiple touches and updates, because I think as going through this process, I know me personally and probably many others, as things get towards the end, you can't fathom all the stuff, all the wheels in motion, the discussions, the phone calls that are happening, and you have a lot of questions. And I just feel like any update I received, I didn't have to, all my questions were answered. It was almost like Lauren just knew exactly how to update me, and was very transparent, never left me wondering. I'd never get off a conversation being like, well, she didn't talk about that, or we didn't cover this. I was always given kind of everything, and I was left feeling very comfortable with where things were going. So it wrapped up really smoothly and efficiently. I was really pleased.